Welcome to another customer testimonial brought to you by
Hi everybody, this is Eric Brinkman with Window Depot USA. I'm here with our customer Sally. She agreed to go ahead and give us a video testimonial. So the first question I wanted to ask was, when your sales rep came out, how did you feel the sales process went?
Oh, it went great. He gave me all the information I needed, explained all the procedures, and I was very satisfied with that.
Nice. And then once the windows came in and the guys came out to do the installation, how did they treat you, and how do you feel about the install?
Oh, they were great. Quick, professional, very nice, and
Nice.
I was really happy with how they did everything.
That's great. That's great. So, all that being said, the last question is, would you refer us to your friends and family?
Absolutely. Anybody that needs windows, you know where to go.
All right. That's great. So, Sally, thanks again for the business. We appreciate it. Thanks for watching the testimonial, everybody.